welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. In today's video, I'm going to be opening a new kit. This is a Russian kit by Andriana. This is called Train to a Fairy Tale. This is what it looks like. It's not very big. This is 13 by 28 centimeters. This is what it's going to look like. Here you have all of the floss. Here you can read this kit contains canvas Aida, 14 count Aida fabric, cotton floss, 29 colors, and colored scheme, instruction organizer, and needle. So I'm going to be opening this one. I wanted to do it together with you and see what's in it. Stay tuned. So let's see what's inside. Here's the preview. This is what it looks like. And there's nothing on the back side. Here we have the chart. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the chart so you can get an idea what it looks like. It's in colored. Looks like it's very easy to follow. And then here you have all the symbols. And you have back stitching here. You have to use 2 strands and 3 strands when you cross stitch. Just like this. And here you have the floss. This is what the floss looks like. You have to open it like this because there's a lot of it. There's 29 colors. I don't know what kind of floss this is. This is probably Russian made floss. This is not, I don't think that this is not DMC. Otherwise they would have wrote wrote about it in here, but it doesn't say anything about the floss, the maker of the floss. But the floss feels nice when I touch it. It feels nice in my hand. And here you have the fabric. It's like pre-printed a little bit. You have this part is a bit lighter, and then I think this is where you're gonna have the bottle with the castle. Let's see. Yeah, but here it looks more blue. This looks more like it's grayish. Well, I think I'm gonna go now and start cross-stitching this baby. Wish me luck, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.